This is a new model coming from Asus. Magkakaroon ng 50 series. Ito daw ang magko-compete sa mga ibang entry-level gaming laptops nila. So hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Asus event and may kita nyo may mga bagong products sila dito which are the same models but now may bagong model si Asus which is this Asus Gaming. So anong meron dito sa bagong model ng Asus Gaming nila? Well, they have the TUF, they have the ROG, but yung price point niya katulad ng mga ibang brands. But this Asus Gaming laptop na ito will be competing on the entry gaming level. So ibig sabihin parang ito yung magiging talagang cheap gaming variant nila. First of all, the processor will be new like Intel Core Ultra na siya. They also claim that this is 40 series. This is already a 16-inch. Isa lang ang color ng backlit keyboard niya which is color blue. And napansin nyo may Japanese font. It's because hindi to fully released. This is just the product demo. So if you're considering looking for a budget gaming laptop, meron na si Asus niya which is the Asus Gaming. Available to soon sa Laptop Factory.